Welcome back, guys. Today I'll be doing a video on how to replace a screen on a Chromebook. So I'm going to tell you the model number. So the model number is HP Chromebook 11 G5EE. So that's the model number for the Chromebook, HP Chromebook. So I'm going to do a screen replacement on it. So I'll show this screen. So you can see the screen, it's damaged real bad. Get a shot right here. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how to replace it. So I get a new screen from Amazon. So this is a new screen replacement. Screen placement for it. Alright, so first the tools you're gonna need is a star point screwdriver, a small star point also, small flat point. Might need a razor blade. So I'm going to start the video now. So first I'm going to get my small screwdriver. I'll plug it out. Alright, I'm going to pour it off first. And then I'm going to remove, there are two small screws, one right here and one right here. I'm going to remove this one. Sorry about the noise in the background, I'm home doing it. I keep telling them I cannot manage the noise while I'm doing the video, but I guess they don't care, so I'm just doing my thing same way. So I'm apologizing for the noise in the background. Alright, so I'm going to pull these clips right around it. So alright, so now I remove it, the casing around it. So I'm going to pull these 4 screws around it. So there are 4 screws around it, so I'm going to pull them. Alright, so I'm going to raise up the screen now. Alright, so there's a strap. I thought I'd turn it off, pour it off, but it's still on. Alright, so now I'm going to put in back my screws, all 4 screws. Alright, first let I pour it on and see. power down. So that's one there. Alright, so now all 4 screws in. So I put on back the base cover. The gyro there. Alright guys, so that's how you replace a screen on a Chromebook, HP Chromebook laptop. If you find this video interesting, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.